Good morning, Tara Tesher here, talking all things over 50. Follow me along through the day as I share with you guys some of the things that I've tried to incorporate in my life. Like, for example, prioritizing self-care. This is kind of my morning routine, my quiet moment. I grab my cup, I grab some coffee, I come out here and sit outside and just kind of wake up a little bit. There's something really relaxing and peaceful about that before the big day starts. And then I also, try not to sweat the small stuff too much. That's one of the things that I've learned after 50 that I wish I knew when I was younger, because I spent so much time obsessing over how to change something that honestly wasn't going to change. So my morning routine is about getting coffee, meditating a little bit, before I go on and slay the day. The one staple that I absolutely have to have is, of course, a great jean jacket. I always feel super pulled together when I have it on, and it's one of those staple pieces that just always looks good. I've realized as I've gotten older that it's all about comfort. You can still look stylish, but still be comfortable as well. I think for me, the biggest joy in this part of my life, in this over 50 and kind of fabulous, has really been about all the joy that has been brought to so many great customers, all of your awesome feedback, growing and building this brand here at QVC. Over 22 years, it has just been amazing. One of the biggest questions I get asked is how I stay active and energized without feeling overwhelmed. For me, it's all about kind of chunking my day into various kind of buckets and trying to tackle one thing at a time. And it's been about this whole Q50 journey. And I have to tell you, it really is about prioritizing yourself and making sure that you're always looking through that lens. One of the things that I get asked all the time is how my kind of perspective has changed regarding beauty and aging and how it's evolved. I guess for me, it's coming home from a long day and just kind of getting all of my makeup off and relaxing and not putting too much emphasis on exactly what is deemed beautiful and who gets to say. So it's definitely evolved over what I pay attention to, for sure. And things that used to really upset me and worry me just don't really do that anymore. I do like to take care of my skin, and I think it's important to take care of your skin. So, when I've had a full day of content and I am, taking off lashes and a lot of makeup, more makeup than I typically wear on a regular basis, I love using Tatcha or Elemis, their oils. I think that they're amazing at getting all of that makeup and grime off, because there's a lot. And the cleaner your skin is and the more hydrated you become, that always makes your skin glow from within. So there can be a lot of makeup on that we gotta get off. And I find that Elemis is the way that does all of that. With some simple steps. I am an Elemis girl, and it has absolutely changed my skin for the better. And there's just some easy, simple steps, like their pads that take all the dead skin off, and then their moisturizer is amazing. So besides taking care of yourself and taking care of your skin and trying to eat healthier, I don't know. I don't subscribe to like a real diet, but I do try to, put good things in my body, fruits and vegetables when I can. And of course, I'll still have pizza and all that good stuff because I am human. But yeah, drink lots of water, take care of your skin, take care of yourself. Don't put too much emphasis on what other people deem as beautiful. And I guess one of the smallest changes that I've made in my life is really getting 8 hours of sleep. That is something that I have prioritized, and I have noticed a really, really big difference in my overall just patience level and genuine happiness level. When I get a lot of good sleep, it's always a good thing. Speaking of that, it's time for bed. This is a long day. Good night, everyone.